It's Taco Tuesday. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi, Adorners. So today we're making up some steak tacos. I had these for breakfast. They were really delicious. I had some shaved beef that I got at my local Kroger or Ralph's. And I sauteed up some with a little oil, some brown onion actually that I sliced up, and a red pepper that I sliced and diced along with some jalapeno. And this is just a filling that I have for our tacos today. Now, if you wanted to add other things to this, you remember in my previous video, I had beans and corn and sweet potatoes, so many things. But now I have some corn tortillas that I kind of toasted up, finishing up the sauteing our shaved steak. And you can add your favorite seasonings to this. I have some garlic salt, some seasoned salt, some black pepper, your steak seasoning, whatever it is, soy sauce if that's what you like, you can add that to it. All right, and we want to just keep cooking this until our peppers have a little softness to them. They're a little tender, and our onions are starting to caramelize a little bit. And so that's what I did. And then now it is time. So let me say this: for our tacos today, I'm going to be using a yogurt. A pineapple yogurt with some cilantro instead of our sour cream. So as you can see, our peppers and our steak and our beef and our onions, they just melded up so beautifully. And now I made up some tacos, you can see. And so to this, I'm going to add some fresh cilantro as well as some cheese. You can add your favorite toppings, and as I said, that pineapple yogurt with the cilantro and lime to it, a little lime, and voila, we have our beautiful steak tacos. Perfect for, actually, I had these for breakfast, but they can be for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So, Adorners, because I had this for breakfast, I actually went ahead and cut up some fresh strawberries and bananas to go along with this. And this was such a beautiful, fresh breakfast. As I said, you can have this any time of day. Anyway, thank you for joining me as always. Thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I am your girlfriend, your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video.